Canada, and our field is variety is Nirvana. So we just finished the job with our Byron 103 2-row. So here's the result. So as you can see, everything's worked fine in the video. So this machine is completely rebuilt by us and completely in the working condition. Okay, so very beautiful machine. And here is the result. Everything is fine with the hair. As you can see, this variety is Nirvana. So very sweet corn.
And around. Let's see.
So this machine doesn't damage the ears, as you can see, and it works perfectly as it's supposed.